The F2 error code on carrier AC units indicates a fault in the evaporator coil temperature sensor. This sensor monitors refrigerant temperature to prevent the evaporator coil from freezing or overheating. When you see F2 displayed on your carrier AC unit, it means the system has detected an issue with this sensor's readings. This sensor is typically located on the evaporator coil inside the indoor unit of your AC system. The sensor sends temperature readings to the control board, which then regulates the compressor to maintain safe operating conditions. If the sensor fails, the evaporator coil could freeze or overheat, potentially causing serious damage. The F2 error protects the compressor by shutting down the system. This video will guide you through understanding, troubleshooting, and fixing this common issue. The evaporator sensor in your carrier AC system is typically located on the evaporator coil inlet inside the indoor unit. This small thermistor monitors refrigerant temperatures and connects to the control board via wiring. To locate the sensor, you may need to remove the access panel, which often requires a screwdriver. Once inside, look for the evaporator coil and the small sensor attached to its inlet. The sensor is a thermistor, a resistance-based temperature detector. It sends data to the control board to prevent issues like freezing. Check your manual for exact location details in your specific carrier model. Diagnosing the F2 error starts with checking the sensor's voltage. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage at the sensor terminals. A healthy sensor should read approximately 5 volts DC. Next, measure the sensor's resistance using the multimeter. A healthy evaporator temperature sensor should read between 10,000 and 100,000 ohms at room temperature. Carrier also provides diagnostic software accessible through smart thermostats and mobile apps. These tools allow for remote troubleshooting and can identify F2 errors without direct access to the unit. The F2 error can be triggered by several issues: a faulty evaporator temperature sensor, wiring problems such as shorts or corrosion, or a malfunctioning control board. Several factors can cause the F2 error in carrier AC systems. The most common include sensor degradation due to humidity. Moisture ingress damages the evaporator sensor over time, especially in humid environments like Florida. Wiring shorts or corrosion can also trigger the F2 error. Corroded connectors or short circuits interrupt the sensor signal to the control board. A faulty control board is another common cause. Damage to the board can cause it to misinterpret sensor data, leading to the F2 error. Voltage fluctuations during heat waves can contribute to sensor failure, and prolonged exposure in humid areas worsens the problem. Understanding these common causes helps in targeted troubleshooting and prevents recurring F2 errors. If the evaporator sensor is faulty, replacement is necessary. First, ensure safety by disconnecting the power to your AC unit. Turn off the circuit breaker or unplug the unit to prevent electrical hazards. Next, locate the evaporator sensor on the indoor unit, typically mounted on the evaporator coil inlet. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness from the sensor. Use a multimeter to check for continuity if needed. Remove the faulty sensor by unscrewing or unclipping it. Install a new, compatible evaporator temperature sensor. These parts typically cost between $50 and $100. Ensure the new sensor matches your AC unit's specifications. Reconnect the wiring harness to the new sensor. Ensure all connections are secure and free of corrosion. Inspect for any damaged wires and clean contacts if necessary. Proper connections prevent future faults. Reconnect the power by turning on the circuit breaker or plugging in the unit. Test the system by running it and monitoring for error codes. Use diagnostic tools to verify the sensor is functioning properly. If you're uncomfortable with electrical work or lack experience, consider consulting a professional technician. This helps avoid voiding warranties and ensures proper installation. Wiring issues are a frequent cause of the F2 error. Carefully inspect the wiring connected to the sensor for any signs of shorts, corrosion, or loose connections. Use electrical contact cleaner to clean corroded connections. Ensure the wires are securely connected to both the sensor and the control board. Sometimes, simply reseating the connections can resolve the issue. HVAC technicians' surveys show that 40% of F2 calls are wiring-related, highlighting the importance of this step. Carrier has released firmware updates that enhance error code diagnostics. Check if your smart thermostat or app has available updates. These updates can provide more detailed information about the F2 error and potentially offer automated troubleshooting steps. Newer carrier systems integrate with IoT-enabled predictive maintenance tools. These tools can alert you to potential sensor failures before they fully manifest, reducing downtime. Future trends point towards AI-driven diagnostics for even more proactive solutions.